So Youth Discover the Trades has been an activity we've done for many years. Our whole goal in this is to try and give young people an exposure and an experience in a potential trade that they might pursue in their future. So my name is Dave Corbett, and I'm the Coordinator of Career Programs for School District 27. Today, we're running each student. They have 3 of the 4 workshops available. We have a carpentry workshop, we have a welding, we have mechanical, both heavy duty and automotive, and we have electrical. I think it's important for companies to take part in this program because the old saying, it takes a community to raise a child. If you take a community and the excellence that we have in every area of what makes this community function and bring them in and let them interact with the young people, we're going to have our young people with more vision, more hope, more connections, so many more things to help them make good choices, but also have more success in those choices. We have a number of women here that have taken part, not all that we have in our community for sure, and we don't have as many women involved in industry as we would like, but you know what, the tide is changing and we're seeing that, and so absolutely young ladies should have the option and be involved in these kind of trade areas too.
It's Lisa Hellmick. I'm an electrical charge hand at Tolko Lakeview, and I'm here for the Youth Discover Trades Day. I feel this is important for young women just to show them that there's other options out there for work and opportunities. And for myself, for my job, every day is different. There's always something different going on that you're trying to figure out, so you're using your brain a lot, and it's just rewarding when you figure out what was wrong and get it working again. The future is open and endless. There are so many possibilities with the trades. For the electrical trade, it branches off into so many different opportunities that you could go anywhere with it, and you can work anywhere in the world with it.
They're getting to see other jobs out there that they probably didn't even know existed and get to have a little bit of hands-on experience. So some of the girls wouldn't even realize that this is something that they enjoy until they get to try it out. So it's really important, yeah.
I want to just communicate to our sponsors, we are so appreciative of all that you give, whether it's in materials, personnel, people, support, and different supplies. We could not do any of these activities without your help. So thank you so much, all the sponsors involved in the Youth Discover the Trades Day and the Girls in Trades celebration we're doing today.